Hey Mike, this is Gage from Montrose Ford Lincoln. Just want to take you a quick video of the 2012 F-250 Lariat. Like I said, I'm going to get you the video for this. I did find out about the rear hitch height from the ground. So this one, and our lot's a little uneven, but I measured it out at 21.25 inches off the ground. Let me put it on the step here. I kind of folded it down. Show you in the video here, but has the integrated tailgate step. And there's a hitch there. But yeah, I measured it at 21.25. So you got the wrap on the bumper. You got both sets of pigtail connectors. Also has a full spare. Some of the wheels that he put on here. Still got great tire tread left on those. Seat's nice and healthy. Underguts. Underneath the bed. We go ahead and do a full walk around of the truck. Start it up for you. Then I'll hop inside. Got the big aggressive front bumper on this thing, but see some of the inner suspension components. I think it looks all pretty much stock on this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the door here. Full power seat, leather with the perforated inserts. These are heated and cooled. You got the adjustable floor pedals here. 5-way menu selector, cruise control, Bluetooth, 4x4 turn dial on the fly. Here's the heated and cooled seats that I mentioned. Your auxiliary flip switches, trailer brake controller, all that good stuff. So now I'll go ahead and fire it up here for you. Get you the best look I can. It's a little tall up there. Man, nice truck. Alright, so here's this truck again. I just wanted to show you. Tire pressure monitor. The rear view camera does not work, it's inoperable, and we think it's from something that they hooked up into the rear bumper, and we are not planning to fix that. So just to give you that heads up, but I also did a little bit of research for you to see what else I might have to consider. And I have this. This is a 2015 350 XLT. So I know it's not a Lariat, but it had a pretty good lift on it. And I thought this would be really, really good for what you're looking for. I got the aftermarket front bumper with the light bar. It's got the winch. Underneath the hood here. A really clean truck. Something that sits up really high. This one came in at 26.75. We put new tires on this. Wheels were already on it. Has the running board step, which on this one you definitely need. It is a pretty good hike up there. So, but this does have cloth, so I'm not sure if this is really something you'd be looking for. But if you are looking for something that's lifted up more, I thought this would be a pretty good fit. Vinyl floors, so easy cleanup. This one's actually a long bed too. So the hard folding tonneau cover. So like I said, this one sits up 26 3/4 of an inch, whereas this one only sat up about 21 1/4. So it's about 6 inches of difference. I was actually pretty surprised. Show you the other side, and then I'll fire this one up for you. I know it's a little bit longer video, but two trucks into one here. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 330-281-3756. Tires right up, almost the same amount of miles. This one's got more of the sound, that's for sure. But of course the lift. But leather is really something that you must have, and it's always something that we can add to this for you, so keep that in mind. So Mike, if you have any questions, please do give me a call about either truck, 330-281-3756, and just ask for Gage. You can see how much more quiet this one is. Tuned down. Look forward to working with you.